Hey guys, it's Jenna. So today's video, I am filming a Instagram controls my day. So the first thing that I put on my Instagram was the plaid skirt or pants for my outfit. And so far, the pants have 43% and the skirt has 57%. So we're going with the skirt, and it is very cold out today, so I'm gonna be freezing. And then the second poll I put on was which kombucha, and so far the berry one is winning versus the ginger lemon. It is also 8:30 a.m. so I'm going to my agency for a workshop for IMTA, so I am getting ready for that, and I actually have to leave in like 5 minutes. So if you're brand new to my channel, make sure you guys head down, go subscribe, turn the post notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I post a brand new YouTube video. And I'm gonna be filming this throughout the day vlog style, so I'll be taking you guys along my day, and yeah, I'll see you guys once I get to my agency. Alright guys, so I'm back home now, and it is currently 2:49, and I've actually been home for about an hour now. And so the other polls, so I'm just gonna do a little overview. So the first poll that I posted was this plaid skirt or pants, and I'll also like import the pictures on here with the scores also. And then the second one was which kombucha, and I actually barely drank the mixed berry one because it just tastes so badly. Like it just does not taste good. And yeah, so next poll that I made was, and I actually posted them in the wrong order because I'm gonna go get my nails done, but I accidentally posted the Dunkin' or Starbucks one before my nail ones. So I posted Dunkin' and Starbs, and I already knew the Starbucks was gonna win, but I just wanted to add something else in there. So I'll insert all the polls that I just put on right here. Then the next two were which color nails I should do, and I'll post the first one right here, and then the second one right here. On the first one, the second one is winning, so the second one, which is that one. And then on the second picture, the second one is also winning, which is the lighter purple lavender. I don't even know what that color is. Unfortunately, I can't do any bold colors just because I have a few photo shoots coming up and I can't have bold nail polish on my nails, so they have to be neutral colors or just nothing. And I feel like it'd be so weird for me to just have like no nail polish on because I'm so used to having nail polish on. So I'm gonna go to the nail salon right now. I'm gonna leave and go there, and then afterwards I'm gonna go get Starbucks because you guys voted for Starbucks. Another thing too is that I don't know if they're gonna have the exact nail colors when I go there, because once I go there I'm gonna pick between the two that won and see what nail color they have closest to one of those. And then I'll show you guys the results after. And so yeah, I'll see you guys in about an hour or two. Just finished up in the nail salon, and I ended up going with this color, and this was the closest that I could find to the one color that actually won on the poll. So, and it actually turned out very good. I had to go with more of a nude natural color, you know, and this is the best I could find, and yeah. Anyways, now the next step is Starbucks, and I'm not really sure what other polls I'm gonna post because I really don't have much to do today. Once I get home, I'm probably gonna go live, but I have to stop at the grocery store before I go home because my family's doing some clam bake, but I don't eat seafood, so don't know what I'm gonna eat, but it's all good. So I will catch you guys up once I get to Starbucks.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. We're gonna get started.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You too. I now got my Starbucks, and for those of you who may have heard me or not, I got the tall iced white mocha with whipped cream, no whipped cream, and caramel drizzle. Oh my gosh, nope, 1 hour drive. All right, so now I'm at a stopping point, and we are going to taste test the Starbucks. Oh my gosh, now the light's green again. Okay, never mind. I am now home, and I can finally taste test, even though I've already been drinking it. I just got home from the grocery store. My coffee is good. The only thing that I have to complain is that whenever I ask for caramel drizzle in it, they don't put enough caramel drizzle, so it just disappears in it. So, other than that, it's good. And I also got my dog a puppuccino, but it's pretty much melted because when I was in the grocery store, I was just very overwhelmed and it was kind of busy. So, yeah, so I had to give my family some things that they needed from the grocery store because they're having some clam bake or whatever they're doing. But I'm gonna go inside and go chill for a little bit, and I'm also gonna post another poll where I'm gonna ask you guys either to take my dog to the pet store or the pet park, or the pet I'm kind of hoping that people choose to take my dog to the park because I literally live like right across the street from a park. So it'd be super easy to just take her over there, or I could just take her in my backyard and just make it, you know, be a park. You know what? Anyways, all right, I'll see you guys then. Just got back from outside with playing with Olive, and we played some frisbee and went for a little walk in the back, and she had fun. Next poll I'm about to post is, should I go live on LiveMe or TikTok? And I feel like it's gonna be about 50-50 because I feel like a lot of my Instagram followers are from TikTok, but then again, there's a lot from LiveMe, so I feel like it's just gonna be 50-50, but we'll see. I'm kind of hoping they choose LiveMe because, I don't know, just cause I feel like going live on LiveMe, I don't know. I'm gonna give people about 20 minutes to vote on the poll, and then whichever one wins, I'm gonna go live on. I'm back with the results, and TikTok is at 55% and LiveMe is at 45%, but I just wanna kinda go on LiveMe because I'm not feeling TikTok right now. So I'm gonna go against what the people said, and it's still pretty close. It's not like it's 70% TikTok and 30% LiveMe. It's pretty close, so I'm just gonna choose, and I choose LiveMe. I'll probably just go live on TikTok a little bit later because right now I'm just not feeling it. So I'm just gonna go live on LiveMe. So for those of you who are watching this and you voted for TikTok, I will be live on there a little bit later, even though you guys are probably seeing this a few days after I actually film it. But yeah, so for those of you who vote for LiveMe, you're welcome. That may have been my last poll, but I'm not sure. I might be able to do one more poll later, but I'm not really sure what polls I need to do or what I don't know. I'm just rambling at this point, so I'll see you guys a little bit later when I have another poll that I'm gonna be posting. Also, you can see my nails a little bit better right here, but very like natural nudish color, so. Anyways, I'm gonna go live on LiveMe right now. Peace out.
On my knee, fellas they get hop off a jet, belly get rest, catch to the west. I went to school where they teach you for next. I heard me shoes when I'm drip by your best. And the boss man I keep catching the dance. Go to cool fast when they in with an S.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I did not film as much as I wanted to originally film just because later in the day, this is actually Tuesday when I'm filming this. I'm filming my outro because I forgot to film an outro just because my family did a little mini clam bake that evening, and so I couldn't really do any food related polls or anything like that because I knew what I was gonna be eating and stuff like that. So I was not able to do as many polls as I originally wanted to do. So I just did as many as I could. And I still had a lot of fun with it. You guys chose most of the right stuff that I thought you guys were gonna choose. If you guys wanna see another video like this in the future, let me know down in the comments or give the video a like and let me know, because I'd be down to film another video like this and probably go more in depth about what exactly I'd be doing, maybe add some food related things, maybe go to some stores, stuff like that, just go more in depth with it, with things and with the polls and all that good stuff. If you want to take part in my next video like this, make sure you guys go follow my Instagram. It'll be linked in the description, or you guys can just search up JXO Productions, same as my YouTube. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and head down, go subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a brand new YouTube video. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see y'all in my next video, so bye.
Watch me fade every day in the morning. 2 AM, yeah, I'm sipping and I'm zoning. Watch me move, watch me sway, watch me dip out. In a room full of girls I'm trying to dig out.